So next up, guys, we got a really nice looking truck here. So this is a 2015 Kenworth T800. It'd be a heavy haul style truck, triple axle day cab, guys. It does have super singles up front, good clean interior, heat, AC. Kind of go around and give you a nice 360-degree view. But I think this truck's showing like 86,000 miles, maybe a shade over 20,000 hours. It does have a big Cummins in it, so the Cummins ISX15, diesel motor, Eaton. I think it's an automatic style transmission, guys. So one of those automatics that does still engage the clutch. Aluminum rims, rust-free, clean frame, headache rack, dual exhaust. Kind of see all that, but man, you get this truck out in the sunlight, guys, just excellent looking. I think it's got like an 80,000 pound GVW. Air sliding fifth wheel, air ride suspension. So I'm here with Garrett. He's gonna fire it up, give you a nice demo. He's like 230 some odd inch wheelbase, maybe like 234, 238. You should have that information with the listing. Fires up easy. Get you put in gear here. Kind of see that nice chrome bumper. Get this truck out in the sunlight, guys. Man, does it shine. Mud flaps. Pull it back around here to you. There's a quick little tour around the yard, guys. Like I said, really nice Kenworth day cab heavy all style truck. This is demo, guys, on the 2015 Kenworth T800. Go ahead, guys, auction time at Old 20 Auctions.